Hello everyone. Today is a nice cold weather for some lovely hot chili bite. Chili bite can be made in various ways and with many items. Like today we are going to use calabash. But it can also be made with sweet potato, cauliflower, jackfruit, brinjal, banana. You can even boil your chicken and shred it and make these little bites, and you can also use it. It's good for fish, prawns. In many ways it can be active. So there's my ingredients for our calabash. I have a cup of chili bite mix, half a cup of gram flour. Why I use gram flour? It doesn't make the chili bite very oily. So in my greens I've got green chilies, mint, and I have frozen dhania. I don't have any fresh dhania. So normally when I get extra dhania I freeze them. And then I have spring onion. Spring onions mustn't be washed with lots of water. It just normally be wiped with your wet dishcloth. Otherwise your spring onion gets soggy. I also have salt, pepper and paprika. This is how we go about, and also some water mixing. This is how we go about. We washed our calabash and in round circles, cut it, and even after that damped the extra wetness. That was also done. Okay, in our calabash I'm going to use a teaspoon of fine salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper and a teaspoonful of paprika too. Because calabash is sort of a sweetish veggie, so we make it a little bit spicy. So we coat the calabash with our items and keep it aside. Then I'll start with our chili bite flour. 1 cup of chili bite to half a cup of gram flour. Gram flour doesn't have salt, so we need to add maybe a quarter teaspoon of salt to it. And then thereafter our spring onions, our chilies. You can also make chili bite with the spinach and lettuce leaves. They come out very nice. So this is what we do. Mix them well. And we're going to use sort of a weak Bhajia form. A little more water. I didn't tell the measurement of the water.
You're mixing to a consistency.
Okay. We had to go weak because we are going to dip the calabash. There's many ways you can bluff your children to eat vegetables. Like calabash, not many homes eat. But because I want to eat it, then I had to bluff my children's. See, it's sort of weak now, where you can coat the both sides. Isn't it okay? In the meantime, I already have my frying pan that's heating up with some oil. Don't make these things very often because they are deep fried, oily. Now that our oil is hot, we can start frying out the calabash. First you take a calabash and dip it into your mixture and let both the sides get coated well, and then you always work with little hot oil, otherwise your chili bag will become oily. The oil seeps into it. There we are frying out our calabash. You have to keep turning them, and if you feel your heat is too high, lower your heat because the calabash needs to get cooked in the inside. And as you can see, they look quite delicious. They're frying out. Okay, this chili bite is already ready. It's nice to have it with a hot cup of tea on a cold day like today. If any one of y'all are nearby, you can join me for tea. Here you are, it's all done.
Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my mom's YouTube channel. Any questions, she's always willing to answer them.
Thank you very much.